Veronica. Iluta que name is Veronica. My name is Veronica.
All right, y'all, I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and tell you guys how much I love this hair. It's super long, so I refuse to cut it. Well, y'all saw me cut it and trim it a little bit. I don't even know if I'm tall enough to show y'all the full length, but this hair is long. She's long, longer than I ever go. I think this one was a 26 inch if I'm not mistaken, and I'm 5'9", y'all, so you got to think that 26 inch, I did cut some inches off. It was touching like the tip of my butt before. Let me see if I can move y'all. Is she giving scalp or what? Like, I love it. Okay, y'all get to see my messy bathroom. Okay, let me come out here quickly. Let's see. Can y'all see that? Oh. What was all that mess that y'all just saw? What was that? I love how you try to find the same angle that you... Oh, that's all my husband's shoes. Okay, so if y'all can see here how long it goes. Y'all see that? She goes to the booty. She goes to the butt, like, honestly. Ugh.